Today we're working on a 2015 Dodge Challenger. What are we saying today applies to the Dodge Chargers, the Chrysler 300s. It's about the steering column control module. This is the unit. It lives behind the steering wheel. You have to remove the steering wheel in order to get to it. Be careful, work with the key off and your battery disconnected whenever you disconnect the airbag module. Customer complaint on this one, the vehicle stability control light is on. I'm not sure about this one. I don't think it has an ABS light on, but in some cases the ABS light on. We come scan the vehicle and we have a lot of steering angle sensor invalid from anti-lock brake ABS. Let's go to the ABS Implausible data receipt from steering column control module. When we go to the steering column control module, sorry for the glare, steering column control module says steering wheel position sensor angle over travel performance wrong mounting position. This car was flooded. This unit was replaced. It's a used unit. This unit is not available. Today is the Tuesday 28th, February 28th. I called this morning and this one is not available. It's on back order, no ETA, and the price is $800 retail, and if you have an account it comes to 20% off, so around $600 plus tax, or around that neighborhood. In this case it's not, because when we go here to the live data and we search for steering, and it says steering angle, you see it's off the limit. I'm gonna try to repair this. This is one of the services that we provide here to get your car fixed quicker and cheaper than going to buy a new one. And of course, used one, you can try 6 or 7 of them. Probably the 10th try you're gonna be lucky to have your lights off, but imagine how much that's gonna be buying 10 units like these. So I will be back with more details. Here we are on bench, and I just finished reassembling this unit, the steering column control module, and I did zero the steering angle sensor. I am hooked up here on the bench using the diagram to communicate with the module. Using the scan tool, we're going to key on the vehicle, and as you guys see, -4, when I move it, it will change accordingly. So there we go. And I also was given another unit to use just in case I needed some parts, which in this case I did. So if you have any of these units, again, as far as I know, they are in the Chargers, Challengers, and the Chrysler 300s. There might be more Dodge products out there that uses the same design. If anything, give us a call or contact us on Facebook. We will be glad to fix your unit, and have a good day. Here's a bonus footage of the module here on the car, and as you guys see, the angle is 0. When you move it, it moves accordingly. After assembling everything, I am doing a quick erase on the codes. ABS, pass no fault. Steering column control module, pass no fault. Okay, let's cycle the key. Start the vehicle. Watch these lights. There we go. Lights went off. Everything is off. Thank you guys for watching. And again, if you guys have any of these modules that need repair, contact us on Facebook or shoot us a message, comment here, like, share the video for those that need it. We're going to take care of you. Have a good day.